Welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Great Glamour GGN. Today I bring to you grilled barbecue ribs. You will like it. You will like it because they are so yummy, so tasty. Above all, they are very easy to make. Come with me, stick to the end, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay? Let's go. Check the description box for the ingredients. Meanwhile, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. We now prepare the sauce. You add white wine, vinegar, lemon juice, ketchup, soy sauce, and honey, a tablespoon of sugar, olive oil, paprika, now ginger powder, black pepper, chili pepper. This is a personal preference, chili pepper. You can decide not to add it, but how can you prepare barbecue without pepper? Next, you oil the pan and then season the ribs. You just add salt according to your taste, both sides of the ribs. Next, with a kitchen brush, a kitchen pencil, you apply the sauce to every part of the rib. Make sure you apply it very well. It's like you are bathing the ribs with the sauce. Make sure you apply it very well so that it soaks it very well, and then you now place the ribs into the recipients, into the pan, and then put in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the oven. Now place the ribs on an oven rack. It's not necessary, you don't need to place a paper underneath because the sauce is not dripping. And then begin to paint the other side of the ribs with the sauce. You give it a thorough bath with the sauce. Make sure every part, every side of the ribs is touched. Soak it very well. Soak it very well. Don't worry, I know that the sauce has a white wine, but you are not going to get drunk, eh? It will not get you drunk. Just make sure you soak it very well. And then put it back in the oven for 20 minutes and your delicious barbecue ribs is ready. Now let's go and have a taste. As you can see, the barbecue ribs is ready. So let's now taste it. Even the smell alone is heavenly. Let's taste this. Make sure you make your own at home and let me know how it comes out with the same ingredients and preparation. See how it is? Can you see it? Let's go. Wow. This surely tastes good. So, thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please
share, comment, and subscribe if you have not. And if you have subscribed, thank you very much. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.